Hello, this video is going to show you how to work with audio in Premiere Pro. You can see here I've got an audio track open, Audio 1, and it's a little bit bigger than it normally would be. I have scroll bars over here on the right hand side of my timeline, so I can scroll through to find audio tracks. And the way I made this bigger in the first place was just by placing my cursor in this area next to where it says Audio 1 and scrolling with the scroll wheel, the click wheel. I also can place my cursor here in the lines between and drag to expand that. When it's expanded, you'll see there's a white line between the two audio tracks. These are stereo tracks. If I place my cursor there, you'll see that it changes a little bit to where I have an addition to my normal cursor where it's a black arrow pointing up and a black arrow pointing down with a line between them. If I just need to make the entire clip, the audio for the entire clip, softer or louder, I can grab that line and drag it down or up, depending on whether I want it quieter or softer. If instead of that, though, I want to fade the song out or fade the clip out, let me expand this a little bit more. If I expand so much that I can see keyframe options here, I can add keyframes. And so what I'll do is, let's say I want to fade this out. I will put my cursor where I want it to be and then click to add a keyframe. And that keyframe volume will stay the same, and then I'll move my cursor to the end of the clip, or my timeline indicator I should say, to the end of the clip. I'll add a second keyframe, and now I can either drag this keyframe down or I can come up to this spot. I'm in my effect controls under volume, and I've got my volume here, which is at -0.2 decibels, and if I just click and drag, I can slide that all the way down. And when I let go of it, you can see that this line has angled itself downward. And so now if I play this clip, hopefully can hear my volume's turned very far down. But it will in fact fade out. So that's all there is to fading or adjusting the volume of an audio track.